In today's video, I'll teach you how to create and set up videos for your free gifts or giveaways. So this was a question that was sent to me through email by one of my newsletter subscribers, and Medgar writes, "Thanks for sending me information on creating a content calendar. It's truly been overbearing to say the least. Now I have questions. The Media Kit videos you sent out, how are those done and where are those stored? YouTube, Wistia, or a secret thing?" So Medgar was referring to the free video series that came along with my free social media kit, which is a freebie on my website. So for the next question, how can I write the topic on my videos before you see them? Would I need to obtain another URL to add something like that to my site, or is it a plugin? For your lessons, are they Keynote or PowerPoints? Is that a standard template or your own personal creation? And lastly, is all of these free or would I have to pay for them? Okay, so Medgar, I'll be answering all of these questions. Okay, so let's take a look first at this example of a sign-up form. So as I've mentioned, I gave away a free video series on my website, and this is how they can sign up for the free video series. So this is a sign-up form that appears after every blog post, aside from the sign-up form on the sidebar of my website. So you might want to give away a free video series on your website to get people on your list, and I highly recommend doing this because videos are highly effective. And aside from ebooks, I think this is the content that is a favorite of most people. Okay, and here's another example of a squeeze page or landing page where people can sign up for your free gift or giveaway. So you can decide to create videos for your free gift, or they call it free taste or pink spoon, but let's just use the word free gift. Or you can also do this if you're part of a giveaway event. So I often join giveaway events. I'm invited to participate in giveaway events, and this is one of the latest giveaway events that I'm a part of. Okay, so here's how it's done. So you can do this in two ways. The first one is screencasting, and this is recording your computer screen like what I'm doing right now. So it is also known as a video screen capture, and it often contains audio narration. And number two is recording with a cam. So you can use a webcam, your iPhone. I've heard the iPhone 4S has a really good camera, or DSLR. So to create screencasts, you can simply explain things while showing your screen, such as teaching people how to set up a WordPress blog, or record a PowerPoint or Keynote presentation while narrating. So this is very easy. You simply need to create a PowerPoint or Keynote presentation and start recording your start recording and talk to people about your lesson, okay, that what you're trying to teach them. Okay, so for recording screencasts videos, you need certain equipment to record your videos, and you need the following. Number one, of course, is a screen recording tool, and there are web-based tools, and there's also like desktop tools that you need to download to your computer. So for web-based tools, you can use screener.com, which is completely free, and you can record screencast videos for up to 5 minutes. But the downside is you can't edit the videos later on. But of course, it's a great solution for recording screencasts. And the second is Screencast-O-Matic, which is free for up to 15 minutes. Okay, so these are great web-based recording tools. Now, if you prefer more advanced features for your screencasts, you can use a desktop tool such as Camtasia Studio for Mac and PC. That's what I'm using right now. Or ScreenFlow for Mac. Okay, so the second thing that you need, of course, is a PowerPoint or Keynote presentation with your lesson, or a ready lesson plan for you to read while showing your screen. So you need to make sure that you have prepared what you need to say and use those bullet points on your PowerPoint or Keynote presentation. Okay, so obviously I'm not using PowerPoint right now, but the easiest thing that you can come up with, of course, is a PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so for the next question, which is where to store or host your videos. So you can use these three, but I highly recommend that if you are just starting out, you can use YouTube. So you can set the privacy setting of your videos to unlisted if you just want to embed them on your freebie page. So you can choose whether to make your videos public, unlisted, or private. So if your aim is to use these videos on your website for your free gift, you can just set the privacy setting to unlisted, and YouTube provides you with an embed code for each video, so you can easily copy and paste them to that page on your website. Okay, I know Medgar has mentioned Wistia, so I've used Wistia for my first free video series, and this is free forever for up to 5 videos. So if you're just thinking of creating a free video series for your website, you can go for Wistia if you want. It has nice analytics, and of course it's free forever for up to 5 videos. And they could get pricey, I'm just saying, so you might want to use YouTube instead. And there's also Vimeo, and you can use it free if it's not for commercial use. So I've used Vimeo to host my free videos for a free video series, but I did not include links to my website, and I didn't do any selling, so that was okay. So you might want to check out the terms of service for each video hosting platform. So if you don't want to spend anything, I highly recommend going for YouTube. Okay, so for the next question is, how can I write the topics before people see them? And all you need to do really is to set the privacy settings to private first, or unlisted if you do not want the video to be visible to the public yet. So when you are uploading your video on YouTube, this is how it looks on YouTube. You can set the privacy settings to public, unlisted, or private. So I highly suggest using unlisted if you just want to embed this on your website, because if you select private, people will not be able to see this, to watch the video, obviously. Okay, so another question is, would I need to obtain another URL to add something like that to my site, or is it a plugin? So the answer is no. You don't need to purchase another domain or a website URL. So all you need to do is add a new page on your WordPress site if you are using a WordPress, and add the embed code of each video. Okay, so let's take a look at the page where I have posted my videos for a free video series. So this is my brand new social media video series, and I simply added a new page on my WordPress site, and I pasted the embed code for the 3 videos. So that's basically, you'll simply need to create a new page and add the embed code, and you don't really need to spend anything for a new domain name. You don't really need a new domain name. You simply need to add a new page, and that's it. Okay, so I want you to take note of the following when creating your download page or freebie page for your videos. Number one, make sure the page is password protected. So most especially if it's a freebie. So you do not want people who haven't signed up for your list to see the videos. Of course, because you worked hard for producing those videos. So make sure that you password protect that page on your website. And if you are creating videos for a giveaway event or as a freebie on your website, make sure to always include the link to this secret page and the password on your welcome email to your new subscribers. So when you set up your list, let's say if you're using Aweber or MailChimp or Constant Contact or other email marketing services, you can add the link and the password on your welcome email. So always do this. Add the password and the link to your freebie page. I have experienced this in the past when after a subscriber has successfully subscribed to my list, they often forget the password to the freebie page, because I always password protect these pages. And what you can do also is add a follow-up message a day after they have signed up to make sure that they have everything they need, because for sure they will send you an email asking you for the password. And if you have a lot of people on your list, you don't have all the time to reply to, let's say, 1,000 emails asking for the password. So make sure that you include this in the welcome email and create a follow-up message to be sent the day after and remind them of the link to the freebie page as well as the password. Okay, so the next question is, for your lessons, are they Keynote or PowerPoint? And obviously, since I'm a PC user, these are PowerPoint presentations. So for my usual videos, I use PowerPoint. If I have to discuss something that's really meaty, or I've used PowerPoint for one of my videos on how to create a content calendar. So this is the easiest way. So, and for Mac users, of course, you can use Keynote. Okay, so the next question is it a standard template or your own personal creation? So it is my own template that I have created, so you don't really need to hire a graphic designer unless you want a really nice custom PowerPoint or Keynote template. And you can find a lot of free PowerPoint and Keynote templates online. Just Google them and you can find a lot that look really nice. Okay, so for the last question, are these free or would I have to pay for them? So my answer is, if you're just starting out or on a limited budget, start using free tools. There's a lot of free tools out there. So use Keynote and PowerPoint obviously are great tools. So if you're using PC, PowerPoint is available on your computer, and use free screencast tools such as Screener or Screencast-O-Matic if you're just starting out, or if you would like to record using a cam and don't want to, let's say, use an expensive cam, you can just use your phone. If you have an iPhone, that's a lot better. So I think videos recorded with iPhone look really great on YouTube or online. And so if you're thinking of creating a template for Keynote or PowerPoint that has your branding, all you really need to do is start with a blank page and add your logo, add images, and you're ready to go. Okay, so because later on you might want to hire a graphic designer. So that's totally up to you, but these are free resources that I'm sharing with you, and you can easily start creating your videos without really spending a fortune or without spending anything. So if you enjoyed this video, I assure you will love my free social media kit, which has a workbook, planning sheets, a checklist, and action guides, and a free video series. So grab your copy at socialmediamarketinggirl.com, and I'll see you next Tuesday for another Teach Me Tuesday video.